justice, but these babies have the pulled pork buns baked into the bun. There's a little sticking out there, but and they're nice, soft, fluffy hamburger buns.
Howdy folks, Grandpa Greenwald, I'm back. Today, I made some hamburger buns out here, but they're not going to be used as hamburger buns because I don't have any hamburger meat. But what we're going to do today, we're going to stuff these buns, and I know they're still just dough, but we're going to stuff these babies, and we're going to stuff them with some pulled pork and bake that pulled pork all down inside the buns. Let's get this done. Let's see what we can do with that. How about that? Kind of a little bit late to be putting on an apron, but we'll do it anyway. Actually, all right. So what I have here, I made some hamburger buns, but we're going to press these babies out, and I'm going to try to do something a little bit different with these hamburger buns. And I haven't done this before, so bear with me. And we'll see what we can do. See how they turn out. I think we can modify our process as we go here a little bit. Okay, I got a bun, and my intention is just to press these buns, press them out, and then I'll take some of this mixture. I'm going to put quite a bit right up here in the center, like a pulled pork sandwich. And this was my intention, is to pull these out and crimp them up at the top. And put the mixture inside. I'm going to be a little bit more. Well, that appears to and I'll set it on the pan. That appears to press it out just a little bit. It appears to have worked really nice. Okay, let's do another. Well, look at that. Very nice. Let's see if we can get another one in the center there. This is a standard King Arthur burger bun, a hamburger or hot dog bun recipe. Which includes, it's got a couple cups of milk in this. It'll make it a much softer bun. The thing is, we know what's inside there. This was a pork shoulder that I made yesterday, and I didn't pull it. I took it this morning. It's in the fridge overnight. Nice meaty. It's in the fridge overnight, and I took it this morning with the food processor and chopped it. Added my sauce. And we'll do this again and make some special sauce, but this is just a basic sauce to try out. This a little bit thin on the top there. Again, that's okay. Oh, it looks like too much. Huh? It's not too much. It's not too much. This dough is real stretchy. Alrighty. We have our burger buns done. Let's go ahead and see what we got here. We have an egg wash I made with one egg, a little bit of water. what I want to do with the egg wash. I don't know how quick I need to do this. We're gonna check it out. I have a new spice here. I've heard quite a bit about this spice, so we're gonna try it. This is called Everything Bagel Spice Top. So, might be great for a bagel, might be good for a burger bun. We're going to put all of this on here. Let's get it. Or we're going to put it on these, on this side at least. Let's see what we can do. Everything bagel, huh? Oh, lots of little seeds and poppy seeds, and I don't know what's all in there, but sure looks nice, doesn't it? Have a little taste of that. Got a little bit of everything in it. Not bad, not bad at all. I think they look absolutely scrumptious. I'm gonna let them sit here for a little while. I'll get the oven preheated to 375 degrees is what I do these at. All right, let's get these babies in the oven. My inaugural cook in the new stove. I have to double stack these. All righty, let's bring a pan in here, over here, and see if we can get them out of the pan. Shouldn't take much. I had sprayed these pans. Oh, no, you gotta be, forgot they're burger buns. Burger buns, you have to be gentle with them. Wow. They are real burger buns with pulled pork inside. What happened to that one? I did something. I think I banged that one on the stove when I was switching the racks. I had to switch the rack from, rotate the racks from the bottom shelf to the other shelf. Let these cool down a little bit. We'll come back and probably take that one there that's kind of busted out. We'll probably open it up and eat one of these things. See what we cooked. I had transferred these to, you saw a piece of parchment paper out here, and got to thinking about that. I moved into the stone. The parchment paper was soaking wet. The buns would have ruined, or the bottoms would have been really soft. So just a caution, the hot things on the parchment doesn't work sometimes. So when it's cooling down. All right, this is what we have. Pulled pork in a bun. My creation. I had a large, or an extra large pork shoulder, needed to be cooked. And we cooked it in this, started it in the oven at 475 degrees in the Wagner roaster. Anyway, we cooked it, started at 475 for about 40 minutes, then turned it down to 275 for an hour and a half. Anyway, then we bumped it down from there, and then pulled it off, took a lot of the fat out of it, and I chopped it up with the food processor, added some sauce, and we're stuffed it in our hamburger bun. So let's see what we created here. Pulled pork in a bun. Okay. This is what we have. We still have the bun, the bottom of the bun. I'll take a bite of that. That is really good. To have it on the bun, cooked as part of the bun. Wow. And that's just with the little bit of barbecue sauce on it. I don't know about any other condiments. I haven't tasted nothing, no pronounced taste out of the bagel. It was that everything bagel spice top. Certainly didn't do any damage to the taste of that bun. Wow. That's a good sandwich. That's a real good sandwich and a real good use for a pork shoulder that needs to be cooked. All right, I gotta run. Thanks for coming by, folks. It's a good cook. A lot of fun.